Ask Tom on Home Show.
Kevin from League City, Texas has a question about hurricane prep.
He is getting ready, Tom. Kevin writes to us, do hurricane and impact-resistant windows along the Gulf Coast require boarding up, either for the warranty or just for windstorm requirements?
Well, a warranty, I don't really hit on that much because warranties and hurricanes or those kind of tornadoes, tsunamis, warranties don't count when they have that kind of issues. You'll see a fine print. There's certain things that warranties just don't cover, and a hurricane is not going to be one. But windstorm is always the big concern because you have windstorm insurance and you certainly want your coverage in good standing when you have a storm like that. That's why we have it. The answer is, as far as I know, and the reason they came up and require hurricane windows now is because it lowers the payout rate after a hurricane for the windstorm insurance people. So they require it to keep their costs down when we do have a storm, and you don't have to board it up because these things are very durable. They break, but they don't break through during a normal hurricane that you would have with winds. And that's what you worry about with windows is winds and flying debris. Storm surge is the other thing, and that has nothing to do with your windows. That's a whole different problem, and usually the biggest problem when you're on the coast. But as far as that goes, you can call them. You can always check. You can always visit the website. You can actually probably, if you want to, nobody would, read the policy they sent you. But as far as that goes, no, don't worry about it. You're going to be fine. They will probably cover the damage. And if you're ever unsure, always call your insurance company. That goes with any of your homeowner's insurance. Charlie, you and I tell people all the time, check your coverage on anything. It might not be windstorm. It might be a twister. It might be a flood. There's a lot of different things that happen. So always stay updated with what insurance coverage you have for your home. It's really important.
You know, what's interesting about insurance, whether it's commercial or residential or whatever, or if it's read the exclusions. Because, you know, we learned during the Summer of Love recently that your homeowner's insurance does not protect you against riots.
Well, that's why I'm not a Supreme Court judge.
If there's a riot,
okay, fine.
Yeah, but there's
protesters. I don't care what they're circling. I don't want like protesters freaking me out.
But yeah, that kind of thing. You're not insured against that. There's all kinds of things that are excluded from your homeowner's insurance, and it's good to know that so you know how to be prepared. And I think Kevin's smart, getting ready early, and I hope the other thing he's doing for hurricane season is getting a go bag ready and all the other things you should do when you get ready for hurricane season on the Gulf Coast. Because I'll tell you what we learned during Harvey is leave earlier than you think you should.
Always.
Always.
Be the first one out, believe me.
Yep,
Let
that's
them
right.
Follow. Let everybody else follow you.
Yeah. You want a bumper sticker that says, follow me.
Yeah, exactly. I always told people when I lived in Galveston, I'm the first one over the bridge. Y'all come and follow me. I'm out of here.
Exactly right. There's no award for being a hero and staying behind and those kind of things. So, Kevin, good luck on the storms. And if you need some help, we're happy to help you out, too. Just go to HomeShowRadio.com and click on that Ask Tom button, fill out this form, and send it to us. It helps when you send pictures. And you can also, by the way, attach videos or pretty much anything to that thing and send it to us because that'll help us answer the question because we're not just answering for you. We're answering for just about anybody who wants these because Zachary in the other room does a really good job coding these, I guess, so the Google can find our video if you're searching on a certain topic. And so it helps us do a good job. That's why we like doing these. And Tom and I post them every day to our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio YouTube channel, and of course at HomeShowRadio.com.